ORDRO M3 handheld camera is designed as a compact and versatile camcorder, built for users who want high-resolution video recording and photography in one portable device. With its support for 5K video capture and 48MP still images along with 4K recording capability, it positions itself as a strong option for content creators, vloggers, and everyday users who want clearer, more detailed visuals without carrying bulky professional equipment. The camera focuses on delivering sharp image quality and smooth recording performance, making it suitable for travel videos, social media content, family events, and outdoor shooting. Its handheld design makes it easy to carry and operate, while the intuitive controls help beginners get started quickly. The combination of high-resolution video modes allows flexibility depending on storage needs and editing preferences, whether you are shooting in ultra-detailed 5K or standard 4K for easier processing. It is also designed to handle a variety of lighting environments, helping users capture usable footage both indoors and outdoors without complicated setups. For creators looking to build content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, the ORDRO M3 offers a balanced mix of quality and convenience. It can serve as a step up from smartphone recording, providing more dedicated camera features and a more stable shooting experience. The 48MP photo capability also makes it useful for capturing still moments with good clarity, giving users a dual-purpose device for both video and photography. The workflow is simple enough for beginners, allowing quick setup and straightforward recording without a steep learning curve, which is ideal for on-the-go content creation and quick uploads. Overall, the ORDRO M3 handheld camera stands out as an accessible entry-level camcorder for those who want to upgrade their content quality without moving into complex professional systems. It delivers strong resolution options, portable usability, and enough versatility to handle a variety of shooting situations, making it a practical choice for beginners and casual creators alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.